Hello there. Right then, so today we're going to make a minced beef, pea and potato keema. So what ingredients have we got, Mum?
We got a pound of minced beef, 3 small potatoes diced up, a cup of peas, 2 tomatoes ground, 3 tablespoons of yogurt, natural yogurt. Then we got half a teaspoon of turmeric, quarter teaspoon of fennel seed, quarter teaspoon of white cardamom seeds. Then we've got chili powder and Kashmiri chili powder, half a teaspoon each. We've got a teaspoon of garam masala, half a teaspoon of cumin seeds powder, and 1 teaspoon of coriander powder. We got some oil, which we'll be using about 4 tablespoons. Then we got 3 bay leaves, 2 cinnamon sticks, 4 cardamoms, 3 cloves, about 10 peppercorns, quarter teaspoon of cumin seeds, and 2 red chilies. And we got 1.5 onion chopped. We got ginger and garlic paste, 1 teaspoon each. Got some coriander leaves, mint leaves, and 2 green chilies.
Okay then, so we're going to heat up a pan and we're going to add some oil.
You add 4 tablespoons of oil. Okay. You add your all spices, your jeera seeds, your cinnamon sticks, your bay leaves, your cardamoms and cloves, and your dried chilies. Give it a stir and let it fry for about 1 to 2 minutes till they don't burn them. Add your chopped onions. Give it a stir. And cook for about 2 to 3 minutes till the onions go soft and translucent. Slightly brown, not too brown. The onions are translucent and a bit brown. You add your ginger and garlic paste. Fry for about 2 to 3 minutes. another stir. And add a little bit of water so it don't stick to the pan. And let it cook for about 2 to 3 minutes. Simmer. Now add your mince, break it all up so it doesn't get lumpy. Keep stirring it, break up all the lumps. Put it on medium heat. Keep stirring till the color of the meat changes. Oh, it smells great. Now the mince has changed color. Lower the heat, cover it and let it cook for about 5 minutes. Now add your coriander powder, your jeera powder, your chili powders, and your garam masala. Give it a stir and let it cook for 2 minutes. Add some salt. Half a teaspoon. And a little salt. Give it a stir. Add your cardamom powder and your fennel seed powder. Give it another stir. Let it cook for another 2 minutes. Cover it. Let it fry for 2 minutes. Add a bit of water. Up with you. Add a bit of water. And then I whip over it. Put in the chopped chilies. Chopped potatoes. And give it a nice stir. Now you add the water. Add in a cup of water. I think a cup and a half. I don't hold it. And add in a cup and a half of water. And then you give it a stir and cover and cook for about 15 minutes. Till the potatoes are a bit soft. Cover it and let it cook for about 15 minutes on medium heat. Now the potatoes are half cooked. It's been on cooking for 15 minutes. I'll add a handful of chopped mint leaves and give it a stir. Add my tomatoes. There. Now I'll add the peas in. Stir it well. Cover and cook for further 5 minutes till the potatoes are soft. Now the potatoes cooked, we'll add half a lemon juice. Give it a stir and let it cook for another 2 minutes. Keema curry is ready now. Eat it with chapati, rice, puris. Yeah.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel and ding that notification bell.